This video shows us how to get into eSpark for kindergartners and first graders. Students would go to ClassLink and then find eSpark student. And at this point, they would need to type in their username at stu.uticak12.org, so their username with the email portion after it. They only have to do this once. We're basically setting up ClassLink to every time you come into ClassLink, find eSpark student, all of this information will be saved. So you'll click on save, or they'll click on saved once they have that finished, and it saves it there in ClassLink and then takes them directly into their eSpark. Now we may have a situation where the name gets typed in correctly. So student goes to their ClassLink, goes into eSpark, but you notice the username is wrong, or maybe the password was typed in wrong the first time. So we've got to delete some of these settings out of ClassLink. So click out of the eSpark app. Then up there at the 1, that's how many apps are open. You click there, you'd click on edit, and then you'll notice it gives a little X. Then we're going to X out of this app so it's not open anymore. Then we're going to go to our 3 lines up at the top, and we're going to go to the settings for this child's ClassLink. We have to basically get rid of this completed locker app. So there it says eSpark students completed. We're going to click on that arrow to open up those settings, and we're going to delete them. We don't want them anymore. It's the wrong username. It's not the right username, so we're going to delete this setting. Once we delete the setting out of there so that it's not linked to that wrong username anymore, we're going to have to quit out of all our apps. So you double click on the home button and you just swipe up and get rid of your ClassLink and any apps you might have open. Then you're going to have to go back to ClassLink and log in the student, probably using their little picture identification card. Go back to eSpark student, and this is what we did in the first segment of the video, where you now have to type that username or password in correctly, right? So really double check the first time you or the student are typing these, username at stu.uticak12 in that username field and typing in that abc.123 password. Really make sure that that username is correct, because it always links to the incorrect one if you don't. So you get it there correctly, you save it, they click on eSpark, it fills the right username and password, and there you are.